This cordless stick vacuum cleaner was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it, putting it together, and then testing it out on my living room rug so you can see how it performs. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside the box you get the main vacuum unit, attachments, charging accessories, and wall mount components and instructions. As I'm taking everything out in the video, you can see all of the included pieces and how they fit together. One thing I noticed right away is how lightweight the vacuum feels. Even with the attachments installed, it feels easy to carry and maneuver around the house. This is designed as a 6-in-1 cordless vacuum, which means it can be configured for different cleaning tasks depending on the attachments you're using. After the unboxing, I put everything together and show the completed vacuum before moving on to the cleaning test. One feature I like is the built-in LED light on the cleaning head. Those lights can help illuminate dust and debris, especially under furniture or in darker areas of the house. This vacuum is also equipped with a HEPA filtration system and a rechargeable battery with a claimed runtime of 50 minutes. Once everything is assembled, I take it into my living room and use it on my rug. In the video, you can see the vacuum moving across the rug and how easy it is to push and maneuver. One thing I appreciate about cordless vacuums is not having to constantly switch outlets or drag a cord around while cleaning. The cordless design makes it much easier to move from room to room. As I'm vacuuming the rug, you can also see the cleaning head and LED lights in action. The vacuum is designed for both hard floors and carpets, as well as pet hair and everyday household debris. After the cleaning demonstration, I also show a photo of the vacuum hanging on the wall using the included wall mount. I wanted to include that because storage is something people often overlook when shopping for a vacuum. Seeing it mounted on the wall gives a better idea of how much space it takes up when not in use. One thing I like is that wall storage helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. Overall, this feels like a practical cordless vacuum for everyday cleaning. Between the lightweight design, cordless operation, LED lights, HEPA filtration, multiple attachments, and wall-mounted storage option, it offers a lot of convenience while remaining easy to use around the house.